All right, guys, let's go ahead and do the link arm pin as part of your train assembly. Let's start a new sketch. My X and Y plane. Start with drawing a line that begins on your origin. Go directly to the right at 0.031. We have to remember that this pin fits inside the holes of the link arm pin, the link arm itself. So if we double that 031, we have an 062 to make sure that it actually fits inside that hole. We're going to go ahead and come directly up at 90 degrees, 0.25. And then we're going to come over to the right, but we're not going to add a dimension quite yet. Finish that line off. And then we need to draw a vertical line here. So I'm going to draw another line that starts on the origin as well. We're going to bring this one up 0.325. And then we're going to draw an arc that connects these two ends. So just go ahead and click on the end point of your vertical line on the left side, the end point of your horizontal line, and bring it over. Now we can add some dimensions. Let's go ahead and dimension here, which is 0.1562 diameter. There we go. And let's right click and hit OK. We can see on the bottom right it says there's one dimension that's needed. So let's see if we can figure out. So it's here. Now on this particular part, there's not a specific dimension that we need, but I don't like to leave parts unfinished. So I'm going to go ahead and add this dimension here. And let's make that 0.08. We'll just round that number off there. We just need to make sure that this lip is greater than the hole in the link arm itself. That hole is a diameter of 0.128. So if we were to double this, we're at 0.16, which is greater. So that works for me. Let's go ahead and do a revolve. Zoom in a little bit. The axis we're revolving around is that 0.325 line. There we are. Let's go ahead and hit OK. Now what I'm finding I don't like how this comes up at such a strong point. So I'm going to go ahead and edit my sketch. And I'm going to reduce this down just a little bit. I don't like how this is so steep here. Let's see what 0.3 looks like. And finish it off. Okay, let's edit one more time. I'm trying to get rid of that tip that's right up here. Let's finish it off. Now I think that looks much better. It's a little bit smoother. We don't want anything that has that sharp point on the top anyways. It's not necessary. All right, let's go ahead and save this as the link arm pin.